seconds, and thanks for tuning in. On this video, I'm going to get a little repair done on one of JIGSAW's turbo exhaust manifolds. If you aren't, some of you guys mightn't be aware of what JIGSAW is. JIGSAW is my 1975 Dodge D5N. It's now mounted on a Holden Ute chassis with a turbocharged 355 Holden V8. There's the plates. Yeah, I just had to replace a bent conrod on this thing. I still don't know why it ended up bending, but it was. So yeah, I've got to do a little repair on the exhaust manifold. I was in the throes of putting it back together. As you can see, this side turbo manifold, I seen it had a crack around one of the header tubes. So I thought, oh, I better fix it. So I thought, what better time to yeah, bust out the TIG and also open up the box of goodies from the guys at HD Welding. I haven't actually gone through this thing yet. I've just cut the tape, but oh, look at that, got some lollies. That's always a good start. Oh, some Mentos, beauty. Save them for later. Couple of stickers, always comes in handy. Bust out the old bin here. Let's get rid of some of this packing stuff, packing noodles, whatever you want to call it. Don't spill it everywhere. Alrighty, so get that one up there, and that one up there. The rest of that can go in the bin, stay down there. Rightio, so these are what the guy sent me. It's the Mega Stano Cup Kit. So, rightio. Like I said, I haven't opened this stuff up, haven't used it before, so like I said, great time to bust it out and yeah, see what the products are like. And this should be a magnetic TIG torch holder. Yep, it's definitely magnetic. So let's get rid of that. There we go. Look at that. Alright, so hang that there. We have the TIG torch. Bonza. Yep. Definitely works. So alrighty. Like I say, this is the driver side exhaust manifold off JIGSAW. I don't know if you can really see that well. You probably can there, yeah. So that's a crack. It's cracked at the weld. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. Like I say, swap these cups over, and yeah, get this thing cleaned up, tigged up, so I can get it back on the truck, eh? Rightio, so I've just cleaned this manifold up. Probably can't see it the greatest, but I've cleaned it up with the grinder and the buffing wheel and that. It's going to be hard. This thing's going to be contaminated pretty bad with the soot from the exhaust, but we're going to give it our best shot anyway. Hopefully by the time we get to the end, the heat would have burned the crap out of it, but it just needs to fix it up. I'm not, yeah, this isn't going to be some Instagram world. It's going to need to function, so as long as it functions, that's the main ticket, because I've got to get this thing running for Motor Madness on the weekend. So yeah, like I say, it's cleaned up best as I can do it. I went ahead and swapped all the new cup and diffuser and all that on the TIG torch. Fit straight up, looks really good. So yeah, real keen to see how the stuff works. And obviously got my little mag base stand there to hold the torch. So might have some of these lollies. Oh, they're melted together. And let's get in this welding, eh? There we have it. I'll just give it a quick clean with the buff and wheel, but that looks really, really good. That new cup is yeah, working really well. It's getting really good gas coverage on it, so just swap this over. Try and cool it down a bit. On it. There we have it. Probably a little bit too hot, but yeah, that's a really, really strong weld, so that is not going to let go. This manifold can go back on, and yeah, now I can get the rest of this thing together and get it ready for Motor Madness, eh? So yeah, really, really happy with these products, eh? That's done exactly what I need to do, and better than what I sort of expected. Like I said, that was pretty rough area to start. Like I said, all that soot being in that manifold, I didn't know how it was going to go, but yeah, it didn't struggle a bit, so yeah, awesome. Yeah, let's get into it, eh? Rightio, so like I said, got that manifold done there now, really happy with that. Gonna go ahead, get it fitted to Jigsaw so we can yeah, make Motor Madness this weekend. So like I say, really happy with the products. If you want to save some money and get some good products, head on over to HD Welding Supplies on Instagram. Link to their stores in the page. If you put BAMBAM10 in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. So yeah, go and support them if you're in need of them products. A couple of young fellas, Aussie guys, local guys. So yeah, do us a favour, head on over and support them. And as always, if you can do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe. Be much appreciated. And I'll catch you on the next one.